Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about downloading Rainmeter onto your Windows computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. This will be performed on a Windows 11 computer, but will work for Windows 10 as well. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and you just want to search for Rainmeter download. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be from rainmeter.net. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the blue download button. Go ahead and run the setup file. And then you want to go select your correct language. I'd recommend selecting the standard installation package here. And then select next. Select install. Select yes. And then select finish to finish the installation. Then at this point, you see you have Rainmeter installed in your computer. You can find additional skins by clicking on that link to download onto your computer. So pretty straightforward, guys. Shows you system and disk usage here as well. So definitely pretty good, straightforward introduction to Rainmeter here. You can read the manual and then access their forums by clicking on these links here as well. So a lot to go over with this tool, and there are many good manuals and instructional material you guys can review. But like I said, I just wanted to download and install your Rainmeter application to your computer. I think this tutorial was able to achieve that. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.